Hello. Okay, so never mind my hair. It looks pretty ratchet. I also don't have any makeup on, but that's because I'm going to be swatching like 40 different foundations right now. So I don't need to have makeup on. And by swatching, I mean like swatching, not applying all over. Swatching. Oh, by the way, I'm not nude. I have a shirt on. It's just a tube top and you can't see it, but it kind of looks like I'm nude. So recently CoverGirl sent me every single shade of their new TruBlend Matte Made Foundation, and I thought it would be fun to just swatch them all because the shade range is so wide, which is so good. So I wanted to just show you guys all the shades that come in this CoverGirl TruBlend Matte Made collection. Is that what it's called? Matte Made, yeah. So let me show you guys the package if I can. This might be a struggle. Oh my god, it is because this is so heavy. Please bear with me. So this is the package that CoverGirl sent me. This contains all 40 shades of the new CoverGirl TruBlend Matte Made Foundation. I'm posing for my thumbnail. This is going to be a funny thumbnail. Oh my god, okay. This is so heavy. There's 40 glass bottles of, I almost said champagne, I wish, of foundation in here. Okay, hold on. Let's see. Please let's say a prayer that they don't all fall out. This is like holding a very heavy pizza box. Ta-da! See that? It's like heaven. Oh my god, this is so awkward. Look at all those. Gorgeous. So my shade is probably going to be somewhere in the medium section. They have 10 different light colors, 10 different medium colors, 10 different tan colors, and 10 different dark colors. I'm guessing I'm going to be, well, naturally I'm probably somewhere in the light range, but with a fake tan on, I'll probably be somewhere in the medium range. I hope. I like to be a little tan and bronzy. I guess we will find out shortly, right? So if you want to see me swatch all 40 of those CoverGirl TruBlend Matte Made foundations, then please keep watching.